Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's G from Happiness and Crafting. So today is Sunday, so I thought I'd do a little bit of mixed media collage. Now I've got a piece of card ready. Now I'm just done the same as I normally do, which is I've gessoed it. I've added some book paper and some little scraps of paper. This is the craft tape, so it's just got a little bit of a background to it, and then I just gessoed over the top. Now this will fit into my little book here, our collage book, so I wanted to put it on there. So if I want to put it in, I can. If not, I won't. Wasn't quite sure what I wanted to do it for, whether it was going to be on a journal or something like that, so we shall see. I wanted to do a heart. Now I have some of my tissue paper which I did with my jelly plates. Now I think these are just so pretty and delicate. I was just going to do or use one of these, and these are the little butterflies that we've used in previous collages. So let's see. I also want to do the back, so let's just pick a colour. Quite like that one, so that's quite nice. But then again, I want to use these colours as well, so I don't want it too the same. It would be quite nice if it was sort of maybe a little bit of purple, so maybe we'll go for this one. Let's go for this one, shall we, and make a little heart out of this. So should we do that first so we know our size? So I'm going to just fold that. I don't really want to fold it, but I want to make a, just cut out a heart. Let's see if I can do this sort of quite nicely. Let's see what that comes out like. Oh, that will do, won't it? Am I in the middle of the frame? Yes, near enough. So that looks quite nice, doesn't it? Now I'm going to first, so that's the size of it, so that's perfect. Now I've got some acrylic paint, which I rummaged from the bottom of my box. So I'm going to just pop a little bit of this on. Now I won't go for the brown first, I'm going to go for the cream. Just a little bit, and I want to just sort of like rub it in, if you know what I mean. Just a little bit of colour on the back. I want to do just a very simple, easy, quick one today, because I have 5 minutes to be in my craft room. So let's just see what we can do in the time. Let's just add a little bit of this, and I can also wipe it off as well. Let's get, well, I've got a little bit of foam here. Let's just wet this. Just wet that a little bit. See if we can get a little bit of, wipe a little bit off. I want to catch in some of the little sort of like lines in there, if you know what I mean, where I've actually popped the paper and everything on there. Let's just go in. So we can get a little bit of texture as well. Not sure whether you can see it, but it does pick it up from the texture from the gesso. So I'm going to pop a little bit of green, because I really do like green at the moment. From, oops, maybe not that much. This is a quite a nice minty green. Just about see it on here. Does give it like a little green hint or tint. There we go. Maybe I'm going to go very sticky. Go with a little bit more of the brown, I think. There we go. I do like that. Now I'm going to quickly just dry that. Okay, perfect. So I think that's pretty dry. Got a fingerprint on there. There we are. Now, oh gosh, I'm going to go in with some of this. Now this is the frayed burlap, just so that we can get a background. Let's see if this will, how this goes on there. Just dab a little bit on. Got some of the creamy one on here, so let's just mix that in. I love this one because it's got two-tone colour in it, which I'm loving. I don't want that little piece there. Where's my little bit of sponge? Now, I'll put that on. I'm going to add a little bit more. My gosh, sticky fingers. Just put it on like that. I like that background actually. It's very dark though, isn't it? It's a bit dark. Now I'm going to dry that again. The thing with doing sort of like mixed media, you do tend to cover up lots of your bits and pieces underneath, so do be prepared for that. What you put down is not always what you're going to end up with. Now I'm going to get out, I have some stencils. So let's see what we have in here. I just want a very, very simple one. I've got some on here, look. Let's see what we've got. I only want something, I might just go with the dots. I like dots. I do like dots. Now, where is my little dauber? I'm going to go with the brown, with my brown distress ink. I'm just going to go through these. See how that comes out. Lovely. Just go down here. Oops. That looks good, doesn't it? Let's just go so we've got some poking out from behind the heart, I think. Let's see if that will work. And there's a beautiful little spot of colour on there. Doesn't that look nice? Now I think we could also do with a little bit of stamping. Let's get, wow. Okay, I'm going to just use these ones here. I've got my stays on. Don't think this is my new one though. So let's just hope we've got some ink on here. No, I don't think I have a lot of ink on this one. Now I'm going to have to get my other one. Let's get this one. There we go. Now this one is the Timber Brown, I believe I'm using. Yes. This is where I get all bits all over me. Oh, that didn't stick very well, did it? A bit smudgy. There we go. That's plenty on there. Like that. Now I do want to dry. I want to make sure that's, because that's all smudged out. I'm just going to quickly dry it. Perfect. Now a little bit of gesso. Let's get some gesso here. There we go. you put things on, then you cover them back up again. But I do like it. Oops. Lovely. Nice. Now I think I'm going to just cut this so it's a little bit more hearty. Oh, edges aren't quite straight. That's it. I think that's a little bit better, isn't it? There we go. My ever shrinking desk with all my stuff on it. Let's pop a little bit of matte medium down. Lovely. Okay. Right, I'm going to quickly dry that. Okay, I'm just going to go around the edge before I do anything with the middle. Just going to go around and just give this an edge like that with my ink. Just gives it a nice border. Fabulous. Now, where is my pencil? I have a big mess on my desk. Let's move these out here. And again, of course, we have to go in here with our lovely, this is a Stabilo pencil. And it's a Stabilo All, which is a lovely watercolour pencil, which is fabulous. I'm going to go around all of it for now. See if we can. Where's my brush gone? Nice thing about having it on, doing it on a piece of card, you can move it around. It's not as easy as when you are doing it in a book. Okay. Well, hopefully that makes it sort of pop just a little bit. Go. A bit darker in this bit, I think. End up just making a big mess if I'm not careful. Okay. Lovely. Let's see if I've got any gesso on here. There we go. Oops. Very, very simple one, and I'm liking that. Just a nice, easy one. Now, I've got some words here somewhere, or I did have. These are the typology words. Now, I've got them obviously in black and in white, which I quite like actually. The darker one, and I'm just going to have follow your heart, because I think that looks really nice. Just, I don't know, I think I quite like this follow your heart. I might have already used it in something else. Obviously we have to have something that's hearty on here, don't we? At least I got in my craft room and was able to do a little bit of something today, which is, like I said, I think in my last video, it's nice. I have to sort of like, I don't know, feels like I need to sort of like do something every day. It's my little sanctuary up here. Oh, look at that big mess I've made. Let me get some tissue. There we go. There we go, comes off quite easily, doesn't it? Yes, I hope you are able to get into your craft room or wherever you work and get something done. Just a little bit of something. I think it keeps me a little bit sane, because I've had a bit of a stressful week this week. So it's nice to just sort of get up and do a little bit here. So there we go, guys. I'm going to leave it like that. Just nice, simple. And of course, we need to follow our heart. So there we go, guys. Thank you so much for joining me. Please stay safe, take care, and I will see you soon. All right, guys. Bye-bye.